so,
We're activists. We're Mother Nature's sidekicks. We're taking recycling and putting it in our own hands. Here in Greensboro, Alabama, plastic is our target. After looking into all of the contributors to Mother Nature's sicknesses, from greenhouse gases to deforestation. Our organization determined that we can make the most difference in this town, given the small scale of our organization, if we recycle every single plastic bottle.
First rule of Mother Nature's sidekicks, you don't talk about Mother Nature's sidekicks. The second rule of Mother Nature's sidekicks, you don't talk about Mother Nature's sidekicks. Mother Nature's sidekicks has 3 departments, essentially 3 distinct methods for prolonging human life's cohabitation with planet Earth in this age of mass consumption. The first line of defense are our heroes. Heroes are responsible, by whatever means necessary, for literally rescuing plastic bottles from certain contribution to this global epidemic. Equipped with military survival techniques, heroes can go without food or water for 11 days, hold their breath for 27 minutes, and hold the splits for an hour. Next, we have our barterers. They, quite simply, are geniuses. Each barterer must speak 4 languages, including Farsi and Spanglish. When the opportunity presents itself, they exchange their knowledge for plastic bottles.
Did you know butterflies taste through their feet?
No, I didn't.
Well, they do.
This may not seem like a fair trade, plastic for wisdom, but these men are in this for the environment, for Mother Nature, for whom they relate to the most.
Did you know that astronauts can't cry? There's no gravity in space, therefore the tears don't flow.
Finally, we have our substitutors. They wander the supermarkets attempting to prevent the purchasing of any and all plastic bottles. And yes, they are masters of stealth. Our substitutors work under the radar, adapting to each challenge time and time again. They have a 106% success rate. Armed with an almost chameleon-like ability, they represent the finest of our generation.
Yeah, basically we're not a cult.